Hello everyone, myself Shiva Teja, faculty for Anthropology. In Anthropology Optional, many of the students struggle to improve their score in the mains. What happens is that even students are confused that they have given their best, still their marks are not improving, especially in paper 2, where they think that they have done everything and the marks are still low. In order to address this issue, there is a perspective and an approach which is anthropological in nature, which is not generally available in the normal standard textbooks, mostly present in the research papers and the views that have been presented in the journals that have been published. So, covering those journals in Anthro 555, we are trying to come up with the approach, and this has already been proved with the results of last year. And not just the people who have got the ranks, there are many students who have scored above 135 plus, though they went to interview for some reasons they could not make it to the final list. So from there we have come to the conclusion that whatever we have been doing for anthropology paper 2 especially have been working great. And with respect to paper 1 also, we have done all the research and journals, whatever is necessary, and try to bring in necessary anthropological perspectives. Not just putting the scholar name would enhance your marks, but the deep understanding of the background, so that whatever you read is used in multiple places, which can reduce your burden to memorize as well as to memorize less number of things. Because whatever one thing you read, if you have understood it in totality, you can use it at multiple places. At the same time, if you have understood it, you will take less effort to memorize because all the neuron collections are already established. So 555 will act as a one-stop solution, and you can improve your score by 70 to 80 marks if you can diligently follow the instructions that have been given and if you can practice enough. So this you cannot do post prelims. Between prelims and mains, the amount of time you have is very less. The information that you are going to get might feel like it's too much of factual, because the researchers, scholars and the names that are there, definitely it has to be memorized. We cannot deny the fact that there are some things that you have to memorize. We cannot deny that. But at the same time, those facts should be backed by rational arguments which can help you remember. So between this December and February, if you can finish your preparation for your anthropology at the advanced level, you can be assured with an improvised score in your anthropology, and in between prelims and mains, it boosts your confidence to a next level. So anybody who is struggling with anthropology can choose this 555 optional that can act as a solution and a one-stop solution for improving your score. Thank you.